Hello everyone, I'm Kirtana Vadoni. Today I'm going to explain about the software development methodologies assignment 2, which is about the automated testing of GeoMinster application using Catalan Studio under the guidance of Sindhu ma'am. The main objective of this project is to know about the software testing and creating the test cases, and like we are executing it in the automation tool. Any of the automation tool you can use, and after that analyzing the results. So moving to the next slide, in the introduction part of the software testing. So what is software testing? The software testing is a testing which will be used to find the errors and defects in the software earlier, which helps us to improve the software quality and the reliability. Where the testing can be done, it can be done like either manually or automatically. In this project, we have used automated testing, which will be performed in using the Catalan Studio. So moving to the introduction about the Catalan Studio. So what is Catalan Studio, which is an automatic testing tool? Here it will be used for testing the web applications, which is easy to create and execute the test cases other as compared to other automation tools, and which saves the time and also improves the testing accuracy with automation feature. Like the here the features includes is the user friendly interface and automated test execution, which saves this time, and the test reporting easily, like which is fail or pass. The test scenarios here I have done here is here the following models of the GM Insta which will be tested, like login page, registration page, uploading the like post or some kind of videos or Instagram, like GM Insta app, and then profile page also test, like whether we are able to edit the profile page or not, like that. The cases we have created is like valid login, invalid login, like user registration, like upload the post, like kind of a thing we can do, we have done here. So the text execution results will be like this, as we have shown like this in the output screenshot. Like test case one, which is about valid login, invalid login, registration, upload post, edit profile is kind of a things we have done here. So like we will see the practical implementation of this. Like first we need to run this GM Insta application in the VS Code, and of like any of the IDE you can run. So after that you need to open this Catalan Studio. In the Catalan Studio you need to create a new test case. As I have I need to right click on this, like select new, and then new test case. I will name it as like um, TC09, because I have done a lot of test cases. So it will be initialized, like it will be loaded, like yeah, it has been created. So here we will click this web recorder, which will automatically take those things which we have typed in this web browser. We need to copy paste that URL of our GM Insta application, which is of login page I'm going to test now. So here I have pasted, then and then I will click start record. Then we will minimize it. It will automatically take whatever I am going to write there. So here the browser is opening. So automatically, like it will be controlled by this automation test software, which will be used to like test these things. Like I will click as so my name Kirtana, and the password I have created is like by default password I have is 123. Like invalid username or email ID password, it has been shown like invalid, because we need to write here is student one as the email ID. But even though I have completed all the actions, it will show as test pass. Even in this actions, if I skip any one of the actions, so it will be resulting as a fail. Like if I create here is student one, I will create underscore one, and after that, so whatever I am going to use here is whatever I am going to write, like it will be login now. So it is running automatically there. And then we will it will be recording whatever I'm going to type there. So after like typing. It will after I click the run button, it will be automatically running there. So after running a little bit, loading will be there, like it will be loading this. So it will run when I click the run, and it will show us the result whether it is passed or failed. So one thing we need to note here is like whether whatever the testing tool it is, whatever the actions in that particular dashboard we have performed completely, it will show as passed. Otherwise, it will be shown as failed. So if like here I have shown here is like I have entered two types, right? Like GM Insta. It's a kind of a first I have entered as Kirtana, which is not the login, which is an invalid user. Like I have created as kind of a thing. Here I have used two times. I have created, which is an invalid thing. Invalid actions I have done. Like I have. Like input I have given once I have given Kirtana, once I have given student one, which is a wrong one. Like we are going to for one input we are going to use to like for one particular section we are going to giving two input, which is a wrong way. So it will be given as failed. Testing is failed. Like this we should not give like that. We should give only one for one input we are going to use for only we need to perform only one action there, so which will result as failed itself. We need to save here, like it will be saved in your any of this kind of things. You can create a new folder, you can save in this folder also. Like this you're going to do this. The like this we have executed these kind of things, like testing execution results will be like if you want to do, I will do another one like kind of thing. I have executed this also. We will run it again. As we have created for this company. So here I have entered only once, so like it will be showing as pass. Passed. The testing will be passed here. We will check once. So wait until we do this thing. It will be automatically taken. Like it will be shown as pass because I have given only one time, which is the same one. Password I have given one time, so it will be showing as pass. This is what the result I have got after testing. So moving into the final slide. This is was the conclusion, which is automated testing was successfully performed. Like whether it is pass or fails, it will be decided by the automation tool only. If there are any defects, we are going to report that. Like Catalan Studio, which will be used to create and execute the test cases. So different models of GM Insta which will be tested here, and the testing process which will helps us to verify this application functionality whether it is working properly or not. Thank you.